We've all heard of Nvidia's new RTX Spark chip by now, the Apple silicone of Windows, that's designed to change computers as we know them. Their words, not mine. Every major brand already has their own take on what these laptops will look like. And this is MSI's, the new prestige N16 Flip AI. An ultra-thin flip laptop with a touchscreen, built-in stylus, decent port selection, and a big focus on cooling. I think the main benefit of having everything on a single chip like this is that brands can build the cooling systems around it, putting these two massive fans as close as possible to the main chip, and still leaving enough space for a respectable 99 watt-hour battery. And even though this cooling system is beefy, MSI promise it will run super silent, even under full load. Now, I can't tell you whether this is true or not because we weren't allowed to switch them on, unfortunately. So on paper, I know we have a Ultra HD plus Tandem OLED touchscreen. I know it has an RGB keyboard, and I also know it's got a pretty interesting trackpad that has some kind of numpad built in. But we're going to have to wait a little bit longer for the actual turning on of these laptops to see everything in action, sadly. Performance-wise, I don't think we're going to be looking at a massive difference compared to the other RTX Spark laptops that I've had hands on that were switched on, like the Microsoft Surface one. There's a video on the channel. We're getting the same 140 watt chip. Again, I can't talk actual numbers yet, but from the demos, we're getting something pretty impressive. It can handle multi-camera 4K 10-bit editing, local AI agents helping developers debug code, and a massive Unreal Engine scene being rendered and manipulated in real time. And it all seemed to be running very smoothly, at least in the demos. Now the real question, are these going to replace MacBooks? Well, can your MacBook flip over? Is your MacBook touchscreen? Does your MacBook have a stylus? Well, the MSI Flip does have that. All I can say is these new chips look really promising. They are going to be expensive, but you'll be able to choose what you want in a laptop instead of getting locked into one design and one set of specs. And if you like the idea of a touchscreen flip laptop with the newest tech inside of it, what looks like insane performance capabilities, and a promised all-day battery life, then I mean, this ticks all of those boxes. Sadly, we're going to have to wait until August or September to get an unrestricted hands-on demo to test all of these claims ourselves, but stick around for that because the early impressions are really good. This was Stefan from Computex, spending the money, sometimes wasting it so you don't have to. We were at Computex 2026 in Taiwan, covering all of the coolest new tech. If there's anything you haven't seen yet, it's on the channel. Have a look. See you in the next one. Cheers, bye.